So I've been getting the question all the time lately of what can you do to support your immune system long term? And you actually don't want to stimulate your immune system for more than a couple days, maybe a week max. What's important is building and strengthening your immune system. And this is exactly where functional mushrooms come in. Functional mushrooms are known as immunomodulators, which means they have the ability to stimulate or downregulate immune activity based on your body's needs. So if there's some sort of vulnerability in the environment, maybe an antigen, you want to stimulate your immune system. But a lot of times that can create problems long term. And so you also want to take something to be able to downregulate your immune activity based on your body's needs to keep you at this stable equilibrium. Functional mushrooms have the ability to do both. You can think of it like cruise control for your immune system. I highly recommend getting functional mushrooms on board before you need them to really build and nourish and strengthen your immune system for long-term sustainable support.
Yo, right? We can have another take? Is that possible?